Hello everyone. Welcome to Learning with Kiran Pandey. Today we will start a new chapter of Moral Science. Lesson 9, A Good Neighbor. First, we will do the reading. After that, the explanation of the chapter. And at last, the exercises. Let's start with the reading. A sparrow and a firefly lived on a tree. Both had their own little homes. One night there was thunder and lightning. The sparrow felt scared. She flew out of her nest. A thorn pricked her claw. She tried to take it out, but could not do it. In the dark, she began to cry for help. Children, here you can see the paw of the bird is pricked with the thorn. She is very sad and upset. And here is a firefly. Next paragraph. The firefly who lived next to her came out with his little lamp. Now there was enough light for the sparrow to see the thorn and pull it out. The sparrow was thankful for the firefly's help. He said to the firefly, "Thank you for being a good neighbor. All those who live near our house are our neighbors. We must help our neighbors and be good to them. Do you have neighbors? Be polite to them. Do not quarrel with them. Do not write on the walls of their," come on the next page, "houses or spoil their garden. Everyone likes a friendly and helpful neighbor." So children, this was the reading of the chapter, A Good Neighbor. Here you can see an injured sparrow. You can see the thorn has pricked her claw. And the firefly, which is her neighbor, is helping out because it is dark and the sparrow could not see and take out the thorn. After the firefly helped him, she was able to take out the thorn. We should always help each other, especially our neighbors. Neighbors are people who live near our houses. Now, children, we will do the exercises of chapter 9, A Good Neighbor. Understanding the story. Write the answers. Children, here 4 questions are given and we have to write the answers of these questions. So let's start. Why did the sparrow fly out of her nest? It was thundering and lightning. The sparrow felt scared. That is why she flew out of her nest. So let's write the answer. The sparrow, 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 flew out of her nest because she felt scared. Why did she feel scared? Because it was dark, it was thundering, it was lightning loudly. Loud noises were coming because of the thunder. That is why the sparrow felt scared and came out of her nest. Why did the sparrow fly out of her nest? The sparrow flew out of her nest because she felt scared. Full stop. Next question is, how did the sparrow get hurt? The sparrow got hurt when a thorn pricked her claw. Okay, children, let's write the answer. The sparrow. The sparrow got hurt when when a thorn thorn pricked pricked her claw. How did the sparrow get hurt? The sparrow got hurt when a thorn pricked her claw. Next question is, how did the firefly help the sparrow? How did the firefly help the sparrow, students? The firefly provided enough light for the sparrow to see the thorn and pull it out. Let's write the answer. The firefly firefly provided enough enough light light for the sparrow sparrow to see the thorn thorn and pull it out. Pull, pull it out. How did the firefly help the sparrow? The firefly provided enough light for the sparrow to see the thorn and pull it out. Let's come to the last question. How can you make your neighbors happy? Children, we can make our neighbors happy by being polite, friendly, and helpful. Let's write the answer. We can make make neighbors neighbors. Children, learn the spelling of neighbors because it may be difficult for you because earlier you didn't knew the word neighbor. It is a new word for you. We can make our neighbors happy happy by being being polite polite comma friendly 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 and the last one is helpful helpful full stop. How can you make your neighbors happy? We can make our neighbors happy by being polite, friendly and helpful. The next is understanding the message. Let's see what message the lesson wants to give us. Tick the actions which would make you a good neighbor. Okay children, here are 4 points or actions given over here, and you have to tick against the statement which will make you a good neighbor. Okay, let's start. 1. Plucking flowers from your neighbor's garden. No, this is not a good habit. It will make you a bad neighbor, because we should not pluck or destroy anybody's garden. We should not pluck flowers from anybody else's garden. We must plant our own plants and flower plants so that we get our own flowers. Okay? Cross it. 2. Greeting your neighbors. It is a very good option or hobby. So, tick. Playing loud music. Do not disturb anybody by playing loud music in your neighborhood, okay? Because it may disturb the sleep pattern of other people. That is why, cross it. 4. Asking the neighbor's children to play with you. Because you are a child yourself, it is a good thing to get to know your neighbor's children and be friends with them. Okay? So, we will tick against it. I hope you got the message. You understood the chapter well. Thank you. Bye-bye.